Oh my gosh, I'm so tired. What's up, guys? Morning. Ooh, I need to go shave. I'm gonna go do that really quick. Ooh, alright, I'm back. Like clean shaven and everything. Kind of like half did it, but it's not too bad. Today's kind of a lazy day because it's like raining outside. It's kind of like gloomy. Max was even kind of sad about it, so I've got to finish some packing today for the trip. I'm gonna work at 5, so that's kind of a bummer, but it's alright. And I'm gonna probably eat lunch with a friend. Worst case scenario, I'm probably just gonna be packing the whole day. Alright, so I'm packing for my trip. First thing, I've got all my backpack stuff I won't be taking with me. Of course, it's Florida. Gotta have an umbrella. And of course, it's polka dots. Can't go wrong with that. And then all my camera stuff. I know I got Kayla's iPhone little holder thing here. And I got my cameras. This one that I'm filming on is a Canon G7X Mark II. This is kind of like our special camera. It's really nice. And I've got our little cheap generic GoPro. If you watched yesterday's video, I've got the first-person basketball thing on there, which was kind of cool. That's on there. This was with this, so the quality's not as great, but it's still pretty good. And then got a couple cameras. I've got our camera bag that I'll be taking out here and there. The headgear mount that I had for that GoPro. Can't forget the batteries and stuff. I'm actually charging some of the other batteries, but chargers and cables. And then I've got, let's see, this goes here. Portable batteries. This usually helps. At Disney, there's not a whole lot of cell service, so that kind of sucks. So we usually have chargers to help with that. It kind of helps just so our phones don't keep dying all the time, because I know my mom freaks out every time we go on vacation where we are. I've always got a sunglass cleaner just because, like, water, it's raining. I normally like mine clean, so I've got that. I've got a wide angle lens for iPhones just because of, like, sometimes you want to take a picture with your iPhone. Wide angle lens usually helps if it's like one of those nice scenic shots. I was packing. I had to stop because apparently somebody wanted attention. Oh, Max. Huh. He always does this. Every time I'm doing something, he always wants to jump up on me and just plop his fat booty down, huh? Yeah. We were supposed to go to the dog park this morning, but did not work out since it's a little raining, so another time. Well, probably won't have time this week since we're gonna get ready, huh? But yeah, that'll be fun. We'll have some videos of him at the dog park. Get you in the shape, see how high you can jump. Alright, so I had to change plans today. Originally I went to Best Buy to grab my stuff after having lunch with my friend. Apparently they didn't have what I had, so I had to go online, do last minute shopping for the trip. And it turned out they did have it. So I had to, like, literally backtrack. So finally got everything going. I'm on my way to work, so next 5 hours will be fun. Alright, I'm finally back at home. I have to keep packing because the next couple of days are pretty busy for me with work, pretty much working all day, and then as soon as I get home Friday, I get to go to bed, so lucky me. You gonna help me pack? Huh? You gonna help me pack? He's sniffing my hair. You're a weirdo. I know some people told me with the first one I should have done more of an intro, I guess. So hi, I'm Steven. No, I'm not gonna do that. Some people can't even talk. I know some of you guys know me from, like, streaming and stuff, so most of the time you know how I am. But I'm just trying this out to kind of get used to it. I feel like it's kind of a spare hobby for me, I guess, to try to keep doing this. It keeps me focused and kind of planning. It does kind of help out a lot too. And I feel like I'm not wasting time by doing this. So yeah, that's why I'm doing it. Also, I'm trying to get used to this so when we go on our trip, I'm not just rambling or acting like I'm weird, so I know what I'm doing. So we could just document our trip. And I'm just trying to see how this goes. Max, come here. What are you doing? What are you doing? I'm just trying this out for the first month. You'll see me, mainly, obviously. Ha, it's my channel. You'll see Kayla on the trip. She might be here and there. She works nights as a nurse, so it's kind of hard for her. Oh, and you're probably all laughing at me. Right here, that's Philip. He runs the office, so all the editing is done through him. He does have a good taste in music, though. I will say that. But I'm just trying to change it up, you know. I was live streaming for a little bit, and I just wanted something different, so I figured, try this. Ooh, and the focus too on this thing is ridiculous. So yeah. On that note, kind of a short day, nothing really fun. So I'm gonna end it here. Don't forget, like, comment, subscribe. Criticism, I'll always take it. Just don't be too mean. It hurts my feelings. So on that, everybody have a good night, and see you next time.